You have to cut your hair. You're starting to look like me.
Yeah, just without the wrinkles and facial hair.
I just think it's important for us to differentiate each other.
What? Are you having an identity crisis just because I have long hair like you?
Today, you have that interview. What if everyone confuses us just because you're stubborn and also having long hair?
But who cares? It's not like it's real or anything.
Those people are as real as me, Matthew. I don't want my coffee shop to have a bad image because of you.
I swear, I don't know how I'm always able to argue with myself so often. Deal with it, Sanchez. Why would I give a bad image to your shop anyway?
Yes. So, we have the famous celebrity today with us, known as Self-Century or Matthew for the friends. I want you all to welcome him today with a big cheer, everyone.
Thank you for inviting me to the show.
Are you okay? Oh, bless you.
Don't say that! You have to say science you instead of bless you! I'm an atheist!
What is that?
Oh, damn it! I told you you were going to give me a bad image.